Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we are going to go over how area is calculated with your SprayLogger system. When you initially set up your spray rigs, you put in their gallons per acre. So how many gallons per acre is this system calibrated to do? In this case of these two vehicles, I have 30 gallons per acre. So the SprayLogger system has two ways of reading or calculating how many acres you've done. And to see that, I'm going to go to Administration, People, Profiles, and then Edit Personal Information. So here I have calibrated and measured. So calibrated, when I have a spray job running, and I'm calculating acres here in my acres window and even how it's reported, says that if 30 gallons has gone through my system based on my truck calibration of 30 gallons per acre, I must have sprayed 1 gallon. So that's the first method, the default method by which SprayLogger determines how many acres you've sprayed. If you're driving along at an average speed and what your vehicle is calibrated for, then that works great. If for whatever reason, maybe your vehicle breaks down and you're pumping liquid and you're in a stationary spot, then that method's not the best, because even though you're in one spot, you may have had liquid go out, and that's going to be in one location and not necessarily spreading over an acre. And so that can cause an error. So the other way that we do is by measured. Well, when you set up your vehicle, you set up your different spray widths, how wide your booms are. If you've got a 15-foot boom, a 10-foot boom, whatever that case may be, the SprayLogger system actually measures that polygon, how long it is and how wide it is. And so we'd say, well, this is a 10-foot spray pattern, that's 150 feet long, equals this much space. So, and that is under measured. So you have the ability to do both. Either do it by what your system is calibrated for, where it's saying, well, I have 30 gallons per acre, I've sprayed 30 gallons, so I must have sprayed 1 acre, or measured, where it's actually measuring the polygon that you've set up in your system to match your spray width. Thank you very much. This has been Jason Hodges on how to set up calibrated or measured area calculation types for your SprayLogger system.